How to set up a drop shot rig, expert guide for beginners and pros. A drop shot rig is a versatile fishing setup that excels in catching bass, walleye, and other freshwater species. This method keeps your bait off the bottom, mimicking the natural movement of prey. By the end of this guide, you'll understand how to set up a drop shot rig and optimize it for successful fishing. What is a drop shot rig? A drop shot rig is a fishing technique where weight is tied below the hook on the same line. This setup keeps the bait suspended above the bottom, making it effective for targeting fish in various depths. The weight anchors the rig while the bait remains free to move naturally. Materials needed for a drop shot rig. To set up a drop shot rig, gather the following items. Fishing line. Use 6-12 pound fluorocarbon for its low visibility underwater. Drop shot hook. Opt for a size 1 or 2 depending on your bait and target fish. Drop shot weight. Cylinder or teardrop weight ranging from 1/8 oz to 1/2 oz work best. Soft plastic baits. Examples include worms, minnows, or creature baits. Fishing rod and reel. A medium light spinning rod with a sensitive tip is ideal. How to tie a drop shot rig. Follow these steps to set up your rig efficiently. 1. Tie the hook. Use a Palomar knot to secure the hook to your line. Ensure the hook point faces upward for optimal bait presentation. 2. Leave a tag end. Leave 12-24 inches of the tag end below the knot. The tag end length determines how far the bait suspends above the bottom. 3. Attach the weight. Slide the tag end through the loop of the weight. Tie a simple overhand knot to keep the weight in place. 4. Add the bait. Thread a soft plastic bait onto the hook, ensuring it's straight to maintain a natural look in the water. Best conditions for using a drop shot rig. The drop shot rig shines in clear water. Its subtle presentation appeals to wary fish. Vertical fishing. Ideal when targeting fish directly below the boat. Shallow and deep zones. Adjustable weight placement makes it versatile. Pro tips for drop shot rig fishing. Adjust leader length. Use a longer leader 18-24 inches for suspended fish or a shorter 1/8-12 inches for bottom-hugging species. Choose the right weight shape. Cylinder weights work well in rocky areas to avoid snagging. Teardrop weights are better for sandy or muddy bottoms. Match baits to conditions. For clear water, use natural colors like green pumpkin or shad. In murky water, opt for brighter hues like chartreuse or pink. Master the technique. Slightly twitch the rod tip to make the bait move enticingly without overworking it. Drop shot rig variations. Experiment with these variations. Wacky rig drop shot. Hook the bait in the middle for added movement. Texas rig drop shot. Rig the bait weedless to fish around heavy cover. Nose hooking. Hook the bait through the nose for maximum natural action. Common mistakes to avoid. Using too heavy a weight. Heavier weights reduce the bait's natural movement. Incorrect knot positioning. Ensure the hook point faces upward to improve hook sets. Oversized hooks. Using large hooks can hinder the bait's presentation and reduce bites. Frequently asked questions. 1. You can catch bass, crappie, walleye, and even some saltwater species like snook. 2. Can I use a drop shot rig in saltwater? Yes. Adjust the line strength, weight, and hook size for saltwater species. 3. How do I know which bait to use? Match the bait size and color to the target species and water clarity. Why use a drop shot rig? The drop shot rig is effective because it keeps bait in the strike zone longer, mimics natural prey movement, is adaptable to various fishing conditions. Final thoughts. Mastering the drop shot rig opens up opportunities for more productive fishing trips. Practice tying the rig, selecting the right bait, and adjusting your technique to suit conditions. With this guide, you'll be well prepared to catch more fish using one of the most effective rigs available.